Hi, IIT JAM aspirants. Have a nice day. Today we discussing about Faraday law and one question, one graph problem. First question: a small but very powerful bar magnet falls from rest under gravity through a center of a horizontal ring of connecting wire as shown in figure on below. The speed versus time graph in arbitrary units of magnetic will correspond most closely to which of four plots below. A small but very powerful bar magnet falls from rest under gravity through center of horizontal ring of connecting wire as shown in figure below. The speed versus time graph in arbitrary units of magnet will correspond most closely to which of the four plots below. Just look the four graphs of first graph A, first graph B, first graph C, first graph D. Here we know small but a very powerful bar magnet falls from rest under gravity. Then we have graphs time versus speed. All are time versus speed. We know speed first graph speed increases up to certain time, then it decreases, then again it increases. According to our condition, first graph is also correct.